Quickly learn to delegate GRT to the Pinax indexer using MetaMask. Start by acquiring GRT. You can do this through a centralized exchange like Coinbase, or easily exchange it via Uniswap with Ethereum. Once you have acquired GRT and have it in your Ethereum account, bridge your GRT at bridge.arbitrum.io. Your wallet may ask you to approve the spending cap. This is a standard security measure when using a bridge. First, authorize the spending cap for GRT. The second will initiate the bridge transaction. This seamlessly connects your assets across platforms. If the GRT does not appear in your Arbitrum wallet, go ahead and import the GRT contract. Please refer to the show notes for the contract address. If you're venturing into Arbitrum for the first time, ensure you have some Ethereum in your Arbitrum wallet, as it's essential for covering gas fees. You can transfer Ethereum to Arbitrum using the same bridge and process previously applied for GRT, or choose to directly withdraw Ethereum into your Arbitrum wallet from an exchange of your choosing. Now that you have GRT in your Arbitrum wallet, go to thegraph.com to stake to the Pinax indexer. Open the menu. Click on Graph Explorer. Click Participants. Connect your wallet. Search for Pinax. Click Delegate. Enter your desired stake. Allow wallet permissions. Delegate, and you're set. Thanks for your support. Let's unleash the power of blockchain data together.